Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a teepee. So here you can see that I'm using my black color pen to draw the teepee. First of all, you have to draw a curved line. And let's mark an area over there. And try to draw something like a triangle. Okay, now draw 2 more lines in the middle. Okay. Now it's time to draw an entrance. Okay, I'm using my brown color pen to draw some sticks over there. I have to use red a bit. Okay, now I can use brown again. Perfect. Now I'm using orange color. Wow! Let's fill it with orange. Now it's looking perfect. I'm using the same orange color for design. It's a nice zigzag border. I'm using cyan in the middle. And now I'm using brown. I'm using yellow color to draw some circles in the middle. I'm using brown again. Again cyan in the middle. And now I'm using my orange highlighter pen. I have to use my orange color pen here because orange highlighter pen is not enough. Now I'm using brown color. Here's my black marker. Okay, now I'm using cyan. Now here's my black marker again. I will fill the rest with gray color. Almost same, but still some difference is good. Okay, now I'm using my pencil. Perfect! My drawing is done, and this is how you can draw a teepee within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.